be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now I got lucky. So you know what these are. You see the different box. All right. Is it I got lucky, or is it I took so many L's that they gave me these? All right. So I got these off of Sneakers. I guess I've lost 20 times on Jordan 1s. So I was given early access to cop these. All right. And these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorway, varsity red, black sail. All right. I got these in a size 13, and you can see that sail sticker there, you know, keeping with the lost and found theme of these. All right. And that's why the box looks so beat up, because these are made to look as if you found them in an old lost and found. All right. Now let's go ahead and get into these. Box is normal. So we take that off. We'll put that to the side there. On the inside, you got some special paper. All right, to make it look like the old school newspaper. Air Jordan Super Sale. Regularly $65. These are on sale for $29.99. First quality. Look at that. Could you imagine finding some Air Jordan 1s now for 30 bucks? Wow. So, old school retro feel. Regular white paper underneath there. And then some more of that newspaper there. So let's go ahead and get into these real quick. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very dope. Left shoe first, baby. Whoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. These are the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. All right. Now, really, to me, I feel like I've never had a pair of Chicago's. I've never had a pair of like regular Chicago's. So I'm counting these as the Chicago's. All right. Now, I have these Spider-Mans. All right. With the blue that were into the Spider-Man Into the Multiverse comic movie. All right. Boom. But I've never had some straight up Chicago ones. So I'm glad that I was able to hit on these. Just real quick look. I'm not going to do a thorough review because I know there's millions and millions of reviews on these, but I did want to do a quick look. They do come with the black and white laces, which I think is a nice touch there. And then you see they're already tied in there. So that's kind of cool. I'm not going to pull the right out. I just want to see if it came with a red lace. No red laces on that. All right. So the leather quality is pretty good. You got your cracked leather there on the white. Solid red leather here. The build quality is nice. You have your cracked leather, similar to the leather that we saw on the white and the Volt colorway earlier. The cracked leather here and the cracked leather there. You can see that cracked leather. And then the bottom looks as if it's kind of been worn, you know, just to keep with the lost and found theme on these. All right. The black swoosh is a good quality leather. And I like how the tongue, if you all can see that on the screen, it might just be showing as white, but the tongue is kind of an off-white color. Kind of looks faded. similar to how the white is on the midsole. All right, very dope pair of shoes. Nike Air here with the stitching, and then you have your Air Jordan Wings logo there. All right, very clean shoe, man. Glad that I was able to hit these, even if that means that I've taken a lot of L's on regular Jordan 1s. That's crazy to think about. Hey man, we're gonna give you these since you've taken so many L's. We're gonna hook you up with a pair. Golly, I've taken a lot of L's. Let me find here it is. Here is the receipt that comes in the package to show you like the old school Sandy Bros Sports Depot right there in Covington, Kentucky. I grew up not too far from that place right there. All right. 8/30/1986. Man, I was 1 year old on that date. I was 1. So, very nice packaging overall. Definitely a nice shoe. Glad to have a pair of Chicago's in my collection. Unless you count these. I mean, they're similar. The Spider-Mans and these, they're similar. But these are the real, these are Chicago's. These are, you know what I mean? They're not really Chicago's. You know what I mean? But glad to have these. Just wanted to show you all that I have them. And that's going to do it for this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.